Best video doorbell. Finding the best video doorbell can be completely overwhelming with so many options out there. Are you tired of missing packages or wondering who is creeping on your porch? I bought and tested the top 5 models on the market so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Let's see which one actually deserves a spot on your front door. Product number 1, Ring Video Doorbell Wired. When I first held this, I liked how compact and sleek it felt. It doesn't look bulky on the door frame at all. Getting it hardwired took a little patience with my existing setup, but once it was running, the 1080p HD video was incredibly crisp. During testing, the advanced motion detection picked up the mailman before he even hit the steps, pinging my phone instantly. I also loved the night vision. It kept a sharp contrast so I could actually see faces in the dark, not just blurry shadows. The catch? You need a separate chime or an Echo Dot to hear it inside the house. If you want a reliable hardwired option on a budget, this is your best bet. But if you hate dealing with wires entirely, you might prefer what Ring did with their battery model. Product number 2, Ring Battery Doorbell. The new Ring Battery Doorbell feels slightly heavier because of the built-in battery, but the Venetian bronze finish looks incredibly premium in person. Installing this was a breeze. I just charged it via USB-C and clicked it into place. No messing with the breaker box. What really impressed me was the new head-to-toe video feature. It gives you way more vertical coverage than older models, so I could literally see the ground where my boxes were left. The live view and two-way talk felt snappy when I tested it from a coffee shop down the street. You do need a subscription for the smart alerts to tell people from packages though. If you rent or just want the easiest setup possible with great vertical viewing, this is the one to grab. Moving away from Ring entirely, I wanted to see how Amazon's other big security brand held up. Product number 3, Blink Video Doorbell. When I grabbed the Blink Video Doorbell, I noticed it has a very simple, lightweight plastic body. It doesn't feel as premium as the Ring, but it makes up for it in sheer endurance. This thing runs on 2 regular AA lithium batteries, and they claim it lasts up to 2 years. I set it up wire-free in about 5 minutes. During my backyard tests, the head-to-toe HD view and infrared night vision worked reliably. The two-way talk was clear enough to tell a friend to just come inside. One cool thing is the included sync module, which helps stretch that battery life. You can also use a Blink mini camera as an indoor chime if you don't wire it. If you hate recharging batteries and want a set it and forget it system, this is your best option. However, if you refuse to pay any monthly subscription fees, you need to see this next option. Product number 4, Eufy Security Video Doorbell E340. The Eufy Security E340 feels like a serious piece of tech when you hold it. It is beefy, mostly because it packs dual cameras. I absolutely loved testing this. The front camera shoots in crisp 2K resolution, while the downward camera watches your packages. The color night vision blew me away. I could actually see the color of a friend's jacket in pitch darkness. But my absolute favorite part, 0 monthly fees. It has 8 gigabytes of local storage built right in, saving you a ton of money over time. I ran it off the quick release battery, but you can hardwire it too. It even paired nicely with my Alexa displays. If you want maximum detail and hate paying for monthly cloud storage, I highly recommend this Eufy model. Now, if you want a crazy ultra-wide view without breaking the bank, let's look at a newer contender. Product number 5, Bots Lab 5-megapixel wireless video doorbell. Finally, I got my hands on the Bots Lab 5-megapixel video doorbell. Right out of the box, the massive panoramic lens catches your eye. It feels sturdy and weatherproof. When I mounted it, the 180-degree field of view honestly shocked me. There are literally 0 blind spots. I could see from the porch ceiling down to my welcome mat. The AI motion detection was surprisingly accurate during my week of testing. It uses radar and PIR sensors, so it stopped alerting me every time a car drove by, focusing only on real people. Like the Eufy, it comes with a 32GB SD card for local storage, so there are no mandatory monthly fees. The 6400 mAh battery is supposed to last 6 months, and it barely drained while I used it. If you need the widest possible view of your front yard with 0 blind spots, you should definitely check this out. That wraps up my testing of the top video doorbells. Whether you want hardwired reliability, dual cameras, or no monthly fees, one of these will secure your front porch. I put links to all the current prices in the description below, so check those out. See you soon.